The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cameron County in Deep South Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging 60 miles per hour winds over Laurels, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Lozano, Laurels, Los Fresnos, Laguna Vista, Reed Hoping, Villa Pancho, Brownsville. Please report tornadoes or funnel clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.